This is the last and final quarter. Inbounding number 11, pass number 8. Number 8, may tanga na bola. Nasa, still on number 6C. Number 6, for 2. That's C. Number 8. Number 8, may tanga na bola. Nasa kay number 11. Number 11. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds. That's still on number 11, pass number 10. Last touch on number 10. Jose Feliciano basketball. Inbounding number 11. Number 6. Tanga ng bola. Still on number 10. Pinasa kay number 5. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 5. Time out of Feliciano College. Next game, be ready. City College of Angeles versus Dev Zoo. Get ready. Kaya na kanya. Number 8, pinasa kay number 12. Number 12 for 2 points. Number 10, Roque. Roque may tanga na bola. Nasa kay number 6C. Still 145. Still yun. No. Hindi kaya ng coach. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Number 11 spins. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 7. Pushing foul. Ang alawa. Number 7, De La Fuente. 2 free throws on number 11. First basket, it's no good. Number 7, pass number 11, penetrates. Number 11, pass number 7. Foul has been blown. Foul on number 12, Jose Feliciano. Tatlo ka na, number 12, ha? First team foul on Jose Feliciano College. 2 free throws on number 7. First basket, it's no good. Second shot on number 7. Split on number 7. Foul on number 7. Blocking foul. Tatlo ka na, number 7. Second team foul on green. Sub. 7 out, replacing number 14. Number 11. Pinalik kay number 11. Number 11. Penetrates. Pinasok kay number 12. Pinasok kay number 11. Tinira. Offensive rebound by number 14. Number 8. Tanga ng bola. Number 8. Tinasa kay number 12. Number 12 for 2. Number 10 Roque. Tinira. Pasok. Number 12. And one on number 22. Foul has been committed. Basket counts. Foul on number 4. Hucking foul. Number 5 fouls. Bonus free throw on number 22. Split. 16-point lead by Pounds at 66-50. A miscommunication turnover as the Feliciano basketball. Number 7. Number 7. Simo. Shot clock reading at 17 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds on the shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot. Number 22, may tanga ng bola. Number 22. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 13, hucking foul. 2 free throws on number 22. First basket, wala. Sixth shot on number 22. Split on number 22. 15 na lang namang ng Pubs at 66-51. Ten's on. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Last touch on Pubs. Feliciano basketball. Number 7, ang bola, pinasa na number 22. Kick-out pass. Miscommunication of Feliciano. Turnover. Pause basketball. Timeout. Ring. Inbounding number 14 past number 10. Portion doon. Madulas, madulas. Number 7. Nasa kay number 2. At turnover still on number 8. Foul has been whistled. Last touch po tayo. Shot clock at 20 seconds to shoot. Foul has been blown. Foul number 7. Tatlo ka na, number 7. Number 11 out. number 13, shooting for 2. First basket on Manalansang, it's no good. Second shot on number 13, Manalansan. Wala. Last touch on Jose Feliciano. Same ball. Shot clock brimming at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Roque. May tanga ng bola. Tinira sa labas. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 11. Foul has been blown. Foul could be the number 8. Number 8. 5 fouls. Penalty. Number 2 and number 11, representing number 6 and number 8. Super zone number 12. First basket. Oh, dalawa yan. Second shot on number 12. 2 for 2 on number 12. Number 14. Tangan ng bola. Intercepted by number 8. Number 8 penetrates. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 9. Pass number 14. Pass number 13. Manalansan. Foul has been blown. Foul on number 7. Apat ka na, number 7. Third team foul on Jose Feliciano. Substitution. 22 out. 12 out of Jose Feliciano. Two free throws on number 13, Manalansan. Unang tira ni Manalansan. Wala. Pangalawang tira ni Manalansan. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound by number 10. Putback. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 8. 6 rather. 6. Offensive rebound by number 10. Last touch. Same ball. Shot clock rimming at 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Of Jose Feliciano College. Same ball. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 seconds to shoot. Nasa kay number 6. Nasa kay number 8. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Foul has been whistled. Foul number 7, pushing foul. Apat ka na. Number 7. Penalty. Unang basket ni number 8. It's good. Second shot on number 8. Offensive rebound ni number 15. Pinasa kay number 8. Five to shoot. Number 8 penetrates. Number 8 for 2. 10 na lang ang lamang ng fouls at 66-56. Number 10. It's a line violation, turnover, Jose Feliciano basketball. Number 6, may tangan ng bola. 6 penetrate for shot. Defensive rebound by number 10. Nasa kay number 9. Number 9 for 2. And number 6. Nasa kay number 8. Penetrates. Wala. Defensive rebound by number 13. Pass number 10. Rocky. Wala. Last touch on Palm. Substitution. Number 6. Nakuha na number 8. Number 6 fires. Offensive rebound. And number 7. Number 15. Wala. Offensive rebound in number 25. Number 5. Number 5. 42. Number 25. Good. Turnover yan. Okay, number 7. Number 7, De La Puente. Wala. Intercepted by number 5. A counters interception. Number 6. Sakay number 8. Fires. Rebound by number 7, De La Puente. Sakay number 5. Intercepted by number 15. Numbers 8, 4-2. Oh, 2 minutes. Number 13. Rebound by number 7. Number 15. Eurostep. Wala. Defensive rebound by number 13. Number 5. Nasa kay number 9. Number 9. Blocked by number 7. Number 7. Nakuha na number 13. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Meron number 9 sa labas. 4-3. Number 9. Number 15. 4-2. Important to shoot. Number 8, 4-2. 50 seconds on the time clock. Number 13, blocked by number 15. Ay, Eurostep, wala. Rebound by number 15. Wala pa rin. Number 25, 4-2. Uy. Isang oras, coach. Number 15, wala. Rebound himself. Pumasok. 4 seconds. That's the end of the game. Winner, Pons. Congratulations.
Para sa akin, unang-una na sa lahat, yung coach namin. at yung mga teammates ko at binigay nila yung best nila para sa team. At determination sa laro. Siyempre, una, depensa muna bago yung opensa. Pinakita nila yung sipag nila, yung mga teammates ko. Siyempre, sipag sa laro. Pangako ko, mas maganda pa yung ilalaro namin at makuha namin mabuti yung tinuro sa amin ni Coach. Thank you.